Hello. So today what we're going to do is talk about how to deal with anxiety surrounding the coronavirus. Now, the coronavirus has become a very distressing situation that no one wants to deal with. It's changing how we live our lives. So how do we cope with that knot in our stomach? That feeling of wondering or worrying about getting the virus or someone we love getting it. Well, we deal with it by using our distress tolerance skills, namely radical acceptance. So, how do we radically accept something that we don't want in our lives? Well, first what we do is we observe our self-talk. Like, it shouldn't be this way, it isn't fair, this can't be true, I can't handle this, or the many other things that I've been thinking in my mind. But anyway, that's me, not you. So next, what we do is we talk back to those thoughts by reminding ourselves that this unpleasant situation cannot be changed at this moment, and that it is what it is. Now practice accepting this new way of life mentally. How would you handle things if you were to accept that the coronavirus is now a part of our lives? Now I want you to take a deep breath and observe how you feel. Now allow yourself to feel the sadness, the disappointment, and the fear within you. And I want you to focus on your different body sensations as you allow yourself to feel these feelings. Maybe you feel a heaviness in your shoulders. Acknowledge it and let it go. Relax right on into it. Now, by practicing radical acceptance of this new reality, you are beginning to process these changes. And one amazing thing about the human body is that it's able to adjust to unbelievable situations in life. I hope this has been helpful for you. This was not the original video that I had planned, but I thought this is a very pressing matter and might be helpful for some of you, including myself. Okay, have a great week. Bye.